Jesus, He gave her water. He gave her water. No, my Jesus. And it was not from the well.
It's our 2020 annual harvest. Here in the 7th Adventist Church, my 3, Bolu Oroworoku, by USA Roundabout. I invite you to join us on 13th of December 2020.
Today we will gather here in this auditorium to celebrate God's amazing goodness, how the Lord has helped us to overcome the challenges of this pandemic year.
And now it's time to celebrate. Please don't miss it.
Make sure you don't miss it. Please do not miss it for anything.
There is need for everybody, but especially Adventist members, to thank God for all God has done for us.
And it's going to be a blast.
To join us, 7-day Adventist Church.
And we invite you to come with one friend, come with 2, come with 3, come with as many friends as you come.
See you there.
The Lord will bless you richly as you come. Join us celebrating the faithfulness of our God in this troubled year of 2020.
My preacher invites you to 2020 harvest.
He that a woman water, He gave her that living, lasting water. Whoa, He gave her water, and it was not from the well. He gave her water. He gave her water. Jesus gave her water. He gave her water. Oh, Jesus, He gave her water. I'm gonna let it.